Hi there guys, I have with me Dell 5501 laptop. I purchased this laptop offline. So in this video I'm going to answer few questions that I saw on YouTube that can help you purchase this laptop. This is my first time in front of cameras. I'm not so good with cameras, so forgive me for that. So the first question that I saw on YouTube is how is the battery life of this laptop. So if you fully charge this laptop, uh, you'll get about say 9 hours only for browsing, like for example blogging. And if you do updates, play games or watch videos, then I think you may get about like 7 to 8 hours. And the second question is, can we expand the storage on this laptop? Yes, you can do, but you can expand only SSD and not HDD. That is quite drawback, I guess so. And you can expand up to 2 TB. And the third question is, what is the maximum clock speed of this laptop? So the maximum is 3.6 GHz, and I think the base is around like 1 to 1.2. And the fourth question is, how is the camera? So I saw this question in many of the videos, so I will not say the camera is so good. You guys know that laptop cameras are not so good if you compare with you can compare with mobiles or tablets. So I will say it's just okay, not great. And the fifth question is, what is the difference between the 5501 and 5408? The 5408 is 14 inch, and this 5501 is 15.6 inch, and there is not much difference. The 5501 is having bigger display, that's all, I think so. And the sixth question is, what is the price on the box? So the price is 71,696. This is without graphics card, means just the internal, and not the Nvidia and the Nvidia one. So the seventh question is, what is the manufacture date on the box? This is a very simple question, but uh, the box that I got with this laptop, it was having uh, the month of August 2020, and it was from Bangalore. And number 8 question, I wrote some few questions actually here so that I don't forget. The number 8 question is, can we change the backlit color? So you can't change the backlit color, it's just normally white. The ninth question is, difference between 5593 versus 5501. So I wrote some few differences. The first difference that I saw, I don't have the 5593, but I saw on the internet, and the few differences that I got was, the keyboard color on 5593 is black in color, and the keyboard color on my 5501 it's silver color. And on 5593 there is Ethernet jack, and you don't find Ethernet here. There is only type C and HDMI. And the third difference that I saw was the the bezel here. Let me show you guys. In 5593, this portion, the bezel is quite large than this 5501. And the price, the fifth difference that I saw was, the price is a bit you can say less than this 5501 in MRP, the base variant. the without graphics one. So that was the 9th question. So if you ask me which should I take, 5593 versus 5501, I think I should go with the 5501 because this is the newer model. I think this 5501 was launched on August 2020, if I'm not wrong. And the 5593 was, I think, I don't know, but it was way back. The 10th question is, can you lift the screen with one hand? And the answer is no, you can't lift. You have to catch it here and you have to lift it. So you can't lift the screen like the MacBooks with one hand. And the 11th question is the Microsoft Office free with this laptop? Do you get it free? Yes, you get it free for a lifetime. And the 12th question is how to claim the Microsoft. Is very simple. Just sign up or sign in with your Microsoft Office account and it's ready to go. You can just use it. And the 13th question is what is the Wi-Fi version on this laptop? So the Wi-Fi version is version 6. And the 14th question is, do you get antivirus with this laptop? Yes, you get the McAfee 15 months free. You don't have to sign up. And the 15th question is, what is the charger? Charger watt? I don't know what you call that, but it has got the 65 watt charger. And the screen is 1920 into 1080 WBA, which means wide viewing angle, I think so, and it's not the LCD one. And the 17 number point is it DDR3 or DDR4? You get the DDR4 with this 5501. And the color, let me show you guys. This laptop is not white in color, it's actually platinum silver, the color that is written on the specs. And number 19 question is, does it come with i3? And sorry guys, it doesn't come with i3. I think you'll get only i5 and i7. So the number 20 question is it made of plastic or metal? So the answer is it's made of fiber, it's not metal, and fiber is actually harder than plastic. And the number 21 question is the fan audible? The fan that is underneath here, is it audible? Yes, it is sometimes audible if you do some hard tasks like editing videos. It does sound sometimes. And the last question, sorry it's very long, but the last question is, I found it somewhere. Someone was asking, you can see the grill here, I guess so. Here the grill, the exhaust grill here and here. So there is net in this grill, but there is no net in this grill. So some people think that their laptop is like manufacturing defect. I think it's in all the laptops that there is exhaust on one side and there is no exhaust on other side. So that's all for this video, and if you have any questions you can comment and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.